मित्रों and bandhuon, welcome to South Asia Maps education channel. This is your presenter Dr. J. Reddy. And South Asia Maps, I will bring you various India-centric knowledge to the audience, present the abstract concepts in the iconographic form in the form of icons, maps and images and so on. I also have very diverse interests and research a lot of areas. So this particular presentation is about human ecology, a subsection of human population, that is demography. Demos is people, graphy is the study, demography. That is the part 56. Every year, 1.9 million, that is 2 million almost, humans are added by United States of America. That means for 10-year duration, that is a decade, 20 million people or 19 million people are so added to the planet Earth. Again, the numbers in different presentations may vary slightly because of different sources. So you should keep that in mind and get a broader idea. I may say 19 million, sometimes 20 million, so to give you a broader concept. And this is my main YouTube channel, South Asia Maps, and there are 280 meticulously made presentations. You can go and look at them on varied diverse topics. South Asia Maps J. Reddy. I organized all these 280 or so presentations into very intuitive playlists so that you can look at them very easily as per your interest. So this particular presentation I will put in human populations and human ecology, both of them. So there are others like Darshani horses, Arabi horses, British Raj, East Bengal and Karnataka region, United Provinces, Uttar Pradesh, the whole global geography, Rayalaseema seeded districts, that is the Deccan region of Andhra Pradesh, Vijayanagara Empire, the railway history, and the districts of India. There are 36. They are very fascinating and many districts. Battles and wars, Punjab region, Maratha Empire, Mughal Empire, Central Provinces, Berar, Madras Presidency, the Islam, and the Nizams of Hyderabad. So very diverse interest, and I have brought, you can look at them. And this particular presentation, see, there are in human ecology, based upon Dr. Cotton's book, 2 books, I talked extensively. I made more than 50 presentations so far. Like you can look at that playlist, carrying capacity, taking over, drawing down, and what is the human predicament, how humans can adapt in the post-exuberant era, cargoism, realism, cosmetism, cynicism, and resource depletion, sword of Damocles and sword of resource depletion, and the end of the American dream and end of Canadian dreams and Australian dreams, why they failed, they faltered, not due to political reasons, but lack of carrying capacity, surplus. Now they're running those countries carrying capacity deficits, that is the phantom carrying capacity. All those ecological aspects, how they affect our lives, are explained very clearly for you. Excuse me. This particular presentation because is about the human ecology population 52, and I have made some presentations already. You can look at India contribution every year, 10 millions, and 5 millions from China, almost 5 from Nigeria, 4.3 from Pakistan, almost 1.9 million, 1.6 from Bangladesh, 1.9 or 2 million people to United States, and so on. Those you can look at in a specific presentation. So part 56. United States, the most important country. A lot of people consider it is a very well developed country. Population of 300 million, 330 million, not human beings, Homo colossus, as Dr. Cotton calls them, gigantic human beings. And let's go over how I came to this particular deduction. That's very easy, so that I will take you to the basic aspect. You go to this particular site, statistics times, and pick a country you want. I picked United States. Here you remember the years and population and growth. 0.58, so overall yearly population increase growth. 0.58, 0.59. Based upon that, we did our calculation. I will go through the calculation so that it is very clear to you how I got there. So 0.58, 0.59. So 2020, 331 million people lived. 2021, 332 million people lived. A growth of 0.58%. That means you take 0.58, excuse me, 0.58 becomes 0.0058, right? You multiply this number with 19 million people. This number, this is not 19, this should be, there is a typo, 331, I made it. Here typo mistake is there, 331, you get roundabout, multiply this with 331, you get 1.9 million. We rounded it up to 2 million for your convenience. Add this 2 million to 331, that is the base population, 332 or so, you get it. So for every year, United States population increases 2 million. For a decade, it increases round about 20 million people or so. This is the broad picture you get. So every year in the planet Earth, this icon you see 80 million people are added, among which we looked in other presentation. India contributes 11, half of it is around about 5 from China, almost the same from Nigeria 5, almost the same from Pakistan 4.3 or nearly 5. Bangladesh is 1/3. I have not shown here because numbers is less, that is 1.6. United States, here I put is 1.9 million. This is per year. We round it up to 2 million people. That means out of 80 million people, these countries, they contribute tremendously. That I will talk in other presentation, but to give you a broader perspective of that particular thing so that it will be clear in your mind. And we don't need this one, we don't need this one, you don't need this one, yeah, excuse me. So this is the only one planet Earth we have today, habitable, humans live. 2023 there will be 8 billion people. Every year we add 80 million net population growth to this planet Earth, Mother Earth, Bhudevi, the consort of Lord Vishnu. 11 million from India, half of that 5 million from China, again 5 million from African country of Nigeria, not Niger, that is adjoining country but different, Nigeria. Then 5 million almost from Pakistan, 1.6 million from Bangladesh, and present topic of discussion, 2 million people are added per year from the United States to the global increase of 80 million people. That is the take-home message today we are discussing about. So that's the essence important presentation 56 about the most important country on the planet Earth, a country that is populated by 333. Easy remember. How many people live in USA? 333. Not general human, they are Homo colossus, as Dr. Carton calls them. That means gigantic humans consuming tremendous of resources. That is a serious issue. The same attitude percolated in many countries. People are trying to become a medium type of Homo colossus. That is the issue you have to keep in mind. That's why human demography, human population plays an important role. If China and India, Bangladesh, Pakistan want to live the same lifestyle like America, even to half of their energy consumption, there will be no resource in the planet Earth. That's the important point I discussed in many presentations, and see you in other presentation. This is Dr. J. Reddy at South Asia Maps.